So Jacob is our service manager. Bob is our customer. And these are not actors, these are real people. And Bob owns a BMW, a beautiful one, a 740 diesel. And when he purchased the vehicle, he opted to buy the warranty. And he's picking up the car today from service work. Wow, you have 77,000 miles?
Yes.
You drive a lot.
You know I do.
I
went to Florida twice with that car.
But I thought before you drove, for work you
I
were.
don't drive that much anymore, but I went to Florida twice. So
And how was it on your drive?
it was great, except for this one problem on the way back. But I made it. Thankfully, I made it back, and
You did?
thank God I have the extended warranty because
So this was the cost of the repair.
almost $8,000.
Jacob, so what was the issue?
The transfer case failed. And we're also getting a vibration
And the
from
control
the
arm.
control arms, which were both covered under warranty. And then Bob opted to do a lot of good service work with us, which we also took care of. So Bob's total bill out of the almost $8,000 is only $1,117.84.
I'm very grateful for.
Yes. So would you recommend considering?
I will only get the extended warranty for any vehicle I get. I buy all my vehicles from you, so
For many years.
this is probably our 7th or 8th vehicle that we've gotten, and only in the last few have I gotten the extended warranty, so it's definitely worth it.
Well, thank you for your testimonial. And Jacob, thank you.
Absolutely.